Try these 25 Android MCQs. Let's begin. Question 1. What is Android? A. Web browser. B. Mobile operating system. C. Programming language. D. Antivirus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Mobile operating system. Question 2. Which company developed Android? A. Microsoft. B. Apple. C. Google. D. IBM. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Google. Question 3. Android is mainly used in A. Smart TVs only. B. Mobile devices. C. Desktop PCs only. D. Printers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Mobile devices. Question 4. Android is based on which kernel? A. Windows kernel. B. Linux kernel. C. Unix kernel. D. DOS kernel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Linux kernel. Question 5. Which app store is used in Android? A. App Store. B. Galaxy Store. C. Google Play Store. D. Windows Store. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Google Play Store. Question 6. Which programming language is mainly used for Android development? A. Java. B. HTML. C. SQL. D. PHP. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Java. Question 7. Which virtual assistant is available on Android? A. Siri. B. Cortana. C. Google Assistant. D. Alexa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Google Assistant. Question 8. Android is an example of A. Hardware. B. Operating system. C. Antivirus. D. Spreadsheet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Operating system. Question 9. Which of the following is an Android version? A. Oreo. B. Vista. C. Monterey. D. Ubuntu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Oreo. Question 10. Which file extension is used for Android apps? A. .exe. B. .apk. C. .ios. D. .txt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. .apk. Question 11. Android is mainly designed for A. Gaming consoles. B. Smartphones and tablets. C. Washing machines. D. Cameras. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Smartphones and tablets. Question 12. Which Android version came after Pie? A. Oreo. B. Android 10. C. Nougat. D. KitKat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Android 10. Question 13. What does APK stand for? A. Android Package Kit. B. Android Phone Kit. C. App Package Key. D. Android Program Kit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Android Package Kit. Question 14. Android was officially launched in A. 2008. B. 2010. C. 2005. D. 2012. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. 2008. Question 15. Android supports A. Multitasking. B. No apps. C. Only calls. D. Only texting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Multitasking. Question 16. Android phones can connect using A. Bluetooth. B. Wi-Fi. C. Mobile data. D. All of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question 17. Which Android feature saves battery life? A. Dark mode. B. Battery server. C. Airplane mode. D. All of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, all of these. Question 18. Which company owns the Play Store? A. Apple, B. Microsoft, C. Google, D. Samsung. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Google. Question 19. Android is an example of A. Closed-source OS only, B. Open-source operating system, C. Antivirus software, D. Database software. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Open-source operating system. Question 20. Which Android app is used for maps and navigation? A. Google Maps, B. Safari, C. Outlook, D. Notes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Google Maps. Question 21. Which Android app is used for emails? A. Gmail, B. Notes, C. Calculator, D. Gallery. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Gmail. Question 22. Android phones mainly use which type of screen? A. CRT, B. Touchscreen, C. Projector, D. LED board. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Touchscreen. Question 23. Which Android app is used to browse the internet? A. Chrome, B. Notes, C. Calculator, D. Files. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Chrome. Question 24. Which Android feature allow voice typing? A. Google Keyboard Voice Input, B. Calculator, C. Gallery, D. Chrome. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Google Keyboard Voice Input. Question 25. Which Android version came after Marshmallow? A. Oreo, B. Nougat, C. Pie, D. Lollipop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Nougat. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.